Angela? Are you able to do anything else? Okay, well, let's do something different. Because it'd be nice to get some of this on video. And I'm talking with him for 20 minutes. Oh, I did it. So. Okay. Well, how are we getting the water onto over here? Because the main is going in here.
The main is from the outside. One more this right there, and then you start from the outside. And I'm going to do a hole there and stack.
Yeah.
So I want to have the one line come to the same hole right there, and come up to this right there along with the stack and whatnot.
Where you a bro?
That hole, go to that same hole.
Yeah, okay, I understand the waistline. How do we get our water lines to that location?
That's what I'm saying. The water line is going to come to that same hole.
Below grade outside?
Below grade outside.
Can we do that?
Yeah. Yeah. One the ground stretch.
Flash lo echó para arriba.
Oh, yeah, that pass code.
Yeah. To get the inspection.
We gotta get an inspection.
So,
I prefer to put the supply line. Now, we do need a hose bib. So, we're going to probably stub it out somewhere here. Make it easy. Easy, maybe on that backside. I kind of prefer to have the hose bib back here. See, if we do all the utilities here, gas meter, HVC, they can cage this. They can put a big cage. Do you have a question? Yeah, I think we are. Guys, do you have any extra trash that we need to get rid of? We can take that down to the dumpster.
Yeah, I got it. Just show me where the dumpster is.
Okay, it's down at the base of the hill. We've got a wheelbarrow. We're going to do that. So I don't know if you can help him with that or vice versa. Yeah. Well, it's just taking all the trash down to them.
you know, use the copper or the poly?
No, we're using copper on the interior. He's running
No,
a new.
on the outside. On the ground. That poly, and then when you come in the building, you make it copper.
Fine, if you want to do that.
So that way, the poly will be in the ground, and then when you come up out to the ground, you'll be copper in the kitchen, and the copper in the bathroom.
Yes.
Poly under the ground.
Yes. Okay. I'm a little vague on what we're doing here.
Wait.
Our waistlines is going to be captured here, pick up and down. We were good on the waistline. I'm still wondering how we're getting that. You're saying we're going to take our supply line from inside the building, go outside the building, and come back up inside the building.
No. We're going to take it from the outside of the building. See, the water line is already on the outside of the building. I'm pipe it. So when it comes from the inside of the building, it will, you know, it will have it coming in the wall, from what will be poly in the ground.
I understand, but you got to go to the main first.
You have to work it off of the main.
Well, I mean, aren't you going to the main with the main disconnect? And then stuff from there after the main disconnect?
Es una de tres nada más.
See, what I'm doing, I'm going to start from the outside of the building. You know, everything from the outside to the inside, you know, and then from the inside, I'm going to transition it from poly to copper. You know,
Okay.
And then I'm going to have
Where's the main disconnect going to be?
Huh?
Where's the main disconnect going to be?
I mean, this.
Yes, that's a main disconnect. That's a main shutoff.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the main shutoff for inside here. How do we do the shutoff over there?
That right there.
If we come in front of it.
No, see, I could have a, because you know, is where you want to put the main. You want the main in the building
The
or
main
outside?
is gonna be inside the building, under that sink.
Okay, I'm just saying, yeah.
Yes.
So, that's the case. Then we will probably have to pipe everything running. That's what I was asking you about this chase wall right there. This wall right there. You know,
I'm not building a chase wall. I'm not building a chase wall. The only chase wall is that back wall. So what I'm getting at is, if I have to take a supply line, stub it through, we'll break out a small part of this foundation. Once we break out that hole, I'm pretty sure this is a hollow slab. When you tap on it, it's hollow. So,
I could still pipe it to where we could shut it off from under the sink and it will cut off the bathroom by,
yeah, I want a main system that shuts off the building.
so what I'm gonna do is bring the main up in right there, you know.
And then you split off from there and go back out.
Yeah, come back that way, so when you
That's
turn
what I
it on,
want to do. That's what I want to do. Because I'd like to be able to shut it off in total, inside the building. Not have that output. Because most of the time, when the toilet backs up, I want them to be able to go, oh, turn off the water. Either run here or they turn off the valve there. I don't want them to have still.
Does that make a lot of sense? So,
Okay.
we can do that.
All right, good. Okay, what else? I think this goes, Angela, how are we doing?
Got it.
Okay.
I don't know if it has something to do with the wireless together with it, because it's on now, but I can't see a thing.
Gotta be.
It's on the other,
Hello, lovey. Hello, how's my hair? It's terrible. Having a bad hair day.
and it's not on the 1 year long leashes, it's on that.
Well, it should be able to work on the long leash.
That's what I'm saying, it's not working on the long leash. On 2, I tried 2, and I tried all 3 in that yellow one. I had trouble with that before. Okay, I'm shutting it off. I don't know if I should shut it off or not, because I'm scared it won't come back on.
I'd like to go up top with it and see where we are.
Well, then maybe we need to let it charge a while, I don't know.
Okay.
I just don't know.
Get your ladder.